intrusive thoughts, they follow me around. Every morning when I wake, before I make a sound, they sneak up through the window and crawl under my bed. They smother me in sweet embrace and climb into my head. Oh, I have intrusive thoughts, they go with me to work. They sit next to my desk, tugging at my shirt. Sometimes they wait patiently and let me live my life, but I know that eventually they'll pick up the knife. I have intrusive thoughts, they never disappear. They nudge me when I'm shopping, they call me when I'm near. Somebody I like might even be crushing on, but how can I invite them home when all I hear is sometimes there is quiet, such beautiful revenge. I know it will be over as soon as I pretend that everything's okay. Yeah, everything is perfect. Come on, just hold my hand. I'm going quite berserk here. I have intrusive thoughts and sometimes it's okay. I meditate before my lunch and go on with my day. My mind is like the Wild West, a cookie carnival, but at least it isn't boring. It's big and beautiful.